the coin in the pen cap. This is a fantastic way of making anything small visually vanish. So what we're going to do is put the coin in the palm of your left hand. Hold the pen in the finger and thumb, and you're going to quickly flick the coin into the air and catch it in this hand. There's really no slow way of doing it. So here we go. Okay? So flick, grab, and tap the palm. So like this, tap, it's gone. One more time. And once you've done that, the coin is now in this hand. Just flip the pen over, just to kind of subconsciously let people know that there's no funny business going on with your hands. Everything's natural. So flip it around, pull the cap off, and as you shake, let the coin fall into the other hand. There you go.